Are you an avid reader? Are you fascinated by both spoken and written language? Do you want to know more about the role language plays in our lives? The BA in English Language and Literature at MIC is the only one of its kind available in Ireland and is primarily delivered in a small group setting by internationally respected researchers in both language and literature. Bespoke modules such as Language as Discourse, a 20th century novel, Irish poetry and prose, forensic linguistics and romantic literature will provide access to innovative research and help you to become an expert in text creation and analysis and to develop your oral presentation, communication and writing skills along with your digital literacy. Programme content is situated in a real-world environment, exploring real-world issues, and is delivered through small group teaching with communicative, hands-on, problem-based teaching and learning. The one-year off-campus programme provides opportunities to gain valuable work experience and/or intercultural experience through Erasmus or study abroad. There's also an option to take Teaching English as a Foreign Language, better known as TEFL course, as an elective in second year. In your final year, you will get to investigate some of the major trends and advancements in language and literature in the 20th and 21st centuries, including human-machine interaction and ecological, racial and gender-based theoretical models. On MIC's BA in English Language and Literature, you'll gain the tools to analyse texts from poetry to sports news, from the works of Shakespeare to a visit to the hairdressers, and you can look forward to a career in sectors as diverse as publishing, digital content creation, IT, communications administration and content design. To learn more, visit mic.ie/CAO.